I am Michaela Roman from BSHM 2B. My topic for today is all about climate change. The environment plays a significant role to support life on Earth. But there are some issues that are causing damage to life and the ecosystem of the Earth. It is related to the not only environment, but which everyone that lives on the planet. Besides, its main source is pollution, global warming, greenhouse gas, and many others. The everyday activities of humans are constantly degrading the quality of the environment, which ultimately result in the loss of survival conditions from the Earth. Source of environment issue. Other are hundreds of issues that causing damage to the environment. But in this, we are going to discuss the main cause of environment issues because they are every dangerous to life and the ecosystem. Pollution. It is one of the main cause of an environmental issues because it poisons the air, water, and soil. And noise. And we know that in the past few decades, the numbers of industries have rapidly increased. Gases. There are the gases which are responsible for the increase in the temperature of the earth. These gases directly related to air pollution because of the pollution produced by the vehicle and factors which contain a toxic chemical that harms the life and environment of Earth. Climate change. Due to environmental issues, the climate changing rapidly and things like smoke, acid, rains are getting common. Also, the number of natural calamities is also increases. And almost every year, there is flood. Combined through landslide, earthquake, and many more, calamities are increasing. About all human beings and their green for more is the ultimate cause of all environmental issues. Once again, Michaela Roman from BSHM 2B. Thank you.